Welcome to Banahene Tutorial Collections, and on my computer screen I have this beautiful wallpaper which serves as my desktop background. And on this Windows interface I have all the elements or all the necessary features activated. Therefore, if I hold the Windows key and the letter I, this provides me with a settings window, and I can glance through all these individual features and apply some settings to my computer system. I also have the option to click in the search box that says find a setting, and I can type in the settings I want to apply to my computer system, and I can easily get access to it. So whenever you hold the Windows key and the letter I, this provides you with a settings window for you to configure any settings that might suit your preference and apply that to your computer system. If you want to close this window with the keyboard, you can hold the Alt key and the functional key F4 and this close your window. Now, another thing I want to share with you on this Windows interface is how to sort your icons on the desktop. When you look at these icons I have on the desktop, these are the current icons, and this is the current arrangement given to it. Therefore, if I want to sort them out, I'm going to right click on an empty area of the desktop. Then I'm going to choose sort by, and I have these four options. I have name, size, item type, and date modified. So if you want to sort by name, you choose name, and that is going to arrange your items according to name. When you want to sort by size, this is going to sort out your items on your desktop background according to size. So you can see the effect here. When you right click, you can choose item type, and you have this arrangement, date modified, and this is the arrangement. This is going to arrange your files from current to the oldest. So this is how to sort by your items or your icons on the desktop background. Now, if I hold the Windows key and the letter J, this brings out this gaming caption feature that allows you to capture some screenshots, and also you can record last 30 seconds and also start recording, as well as you can also turn your mic on when recording. You have other options here. You can turn on your speakers, you can decrease or increase the volume, and also apply some system sounds and the F recorder system. So this is how to activate the gaming capture feature on your Windows interface, and you can use this feature. This feature is very free, or it's a free version on your Windows operating system, and you can use it to record, take screenshots as you want. So whenever you hold the Windows key and the letter J, you get this particular feature. To cancel, you can press the escape key on the keyboard. Now, the next thing I want to show you is how to change your mouse pointer size on the desktop. To do this, I'm going to hold the Windows key and the letter S. This brings out the search box of your Windows interface, and I can type mouse pointer, and you are going to have this option that says change mouse pointer display or speed. We also have other options here. I am going to select change mouse pointer size. You are going to have this beautiful window, and in the change pointer size and color option, we have this slider here which can help you to increase or decrease the size of your pointer. And as you can see the effect here, you can also click on this additional mouse settings, and you have the option to increase the speed of the size, and also you can choose the primary button of your mouse. Currently it is set to left. You can click and apply it to right, but normally or traditionally it is set to left. You can also choose additional mouse options here, and you are going to have this mouse properties dialog box. You can choose some buttons and apply some settings to your mouse. You can choose pointers. This is where you can customize your mouse pointer, choosing any of these pointer look like in this list. You can also click on this scheme and select any option from this particular list, and this helps you to change the mouse pointer size on your computer system. Now, on this interface, When I hold the Windows key and the letter E, this opens up the file explorer of your Windows. And if you want to maximize, you hold the Windows key and the up arrow key, and this window allows you to access your files and folders. As you can see, I have these files here. If I want to open them, I can easily do that. I can also have the opportunity to get access to these individual folders. You can move to the navigation pane and get access to other directories that might consist of your folders and files and any additional documents on your desktop background. And to close this window, you hold the Alt key and F4. I have this particular folder here which consists of some other documents or files. If I want to make a duplicate of this folder which is going to retain the content of the file within it, then I can select, hold down the Control key on the keyboard, and then click to drag this particular folder. And this is going to make a copy of this particular folder with its content. And you can apply a new name to this by selecting and pressing F2 on the keyboard. And after giving a folder name to this folder, you press the Enter key, and this has make a duplicate of this particular folder. So if I want to use this for any trial or any tutorials, which if I make any error or any mistake or make any amendment to this duplicate, this is not going to affect the original file. So this is how to make a duplicate on your desktop. Easily you can select the file and then hold Ctrl+C on the keyboard, and then select another location and hold Ctrl+V. This also makes a duplicate of your original folder. Now, when I hold the Windows key and the letter F, this provides this feedback hub application. And as you can see the interface, currently I am not connected to the internet. If you are connected to the internet, you are going to have its original interface displayed to you. And this application is provided by Microsoft that prompts users to tell Microsoft the problems or issues they run when using this particular operating system. This app is a universal app that is being designed by Microsoft Corporation, and this allows Windows users and also Windows insiders to prompt and also give feedback to Microsoft based on individual issues. And also this app also allows us to bring our suggestions that can improve this Microsoft operating system experience, especially when it comes to the usage by Windows users and also Windows insiders. So this app is very useful. When you get access to the internet and open this app using the Windows key and the letter F, you can send some feedback, you can send some suggestions to Microsoft, and you are going to have a prompt feedback from them. So this is how to use the feedback in Windows interface. Now, another thing I want to share with you on this Windows interface is how to permanently delete a file or a folder. When you look at this file, if I delete this folder, I'm going to see it in the recycle bin. Therefore, I don't want to have this in the recycle bin. Right forward, I'm going to delete it so that it will be permanently out of the desktop background. So now that this folder is selected, I'm going to hold the Shift key and the Delete key on the keyboard. You are going to have this pop-up window that says Delete Folder. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? And you have these two options, yes or no. So when I click on yes, this folder is deleted, but it is not found in the recycle bin. When you traditionally delete this without the Shift key, you are going to see this item in the recycle bin, and that is not what I want to do. I want to have a permanent deletion of this item. Now, the next one I want to share with you is when you hold the Windows key and the letter H. This opens up the voice recognition tool of Windows interface, and this particular app allows you to speak through your microphone and anything that you speak through is going to have its text written within an application. So you can see that I have this toolbar here, and it tells you to say stop dictating when done. You can also detect, and that is going to apply the effect. Because I said stop detecting, this has stopped this app. And if you want to close this, you click on the X button of this particular app. Now when I open an application such as Microsoft Word, now I am going to open this voice recognition app within Microsoft Word by holding the Windows key and the letter H. Good morning. So when you activate this particular feature, you can say something, and that is going to appear within an application. And therefore this app needs to work or has to collaborate with an app that will be compatible with it. So period. So you can see that when I said period, there was a full stop. Stop detecting when done. So you can see when I said stop detecting, this app has stopped detecting and it is off. If you want to turn it on, you have to click on this. That is going to turn it on, and you can use this to type your text in Microsoft Word. The next thing I want to share with you is how to open an app on your Windows interface using your personal shortcut. So let's assume I have this Microsoft Edge available. When I right click and move to properties, I have this window, and we have this shortcut tab, and we have shortcut key. Now this is set to none. When you click, you have the option to input your own keyboard shortcut, and I'm going to use Ctrl Shift M, and that is going to serve as this shortcut for Microsoft Edge. And I'm going to click on apply and click on OK. Now anytime I turn on my computer system and hold Ctrl Shift M, and you can see that we have opened this app based on the keyboard shortcut, that is the personal keyboard shortcut we apply to this particular app.